Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into something so jaw-dropping, so over the top that it might just make even a Rolls-Royce owner second-guess their lifestyle. I'm talking about the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, a creation that doesn't just redefine what an RV is, but elevates it to an entirely new league of luxury. This is not simply transportation, it's an ultra-premium residence on wheels designed to blur the lines between a five-star hotel, a high-end estate, and the open road. Cadillac has always been synonymous with sophistication, but this motorhome proves they've taken that legacy and stretched it across an entirely new horizon. Let's step inside and begin with the heart of every true living space, the bedroom. Cadillac's design team has crafted not just a sleeping area, but a personal retreat layered with rich fabrics, mood lighting, and panoramic windows that make the space feel larger than life. The king-size bed is dressed in premium linens, and above you, a starlight ceiling casts a warm, serene glow. With an adjustable smart comfort system and built-in noise insulation, this bedroom ensures your rest feels just as good as any luxury suite on land. And because one paragraph simply can't capture it, the bedroom deserves a second look. Beyond the bed, the space integrates modern conveniences like touch panel controls for lighting and climate, a private entertainment wall with an OLED screen, and hidden storage that glides open with a light touch. Cadillac hasn't just built a place to sleep, they've built a sanctuary where comfort and technology intertwine seamlessly. Imagine ending your day with the road outside and this cocoon of elegance wrapped around you. That's what makes the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome truly unforgettable. Moving to the kitchen, Cadillac has gone far beyond the standard galley setup you'd expect in an RV. This isn't just a place to cook, it's a chef's paradise on wheels. Full-size stainless steel appliances blend with marble-inspired countertops and sleek cabinetry, all illuminated by ambient LED lighting that makes cooking feel like an experience, not a chore. A dual induction cooktop, convection oven, and wine. Cooler elevate the idea of dining while traveling, proving that even gourmet meals have a place on the open road. But Cadillac didn't stop there. In the kitchen's second layer of luxury, you'll find clever storage solutions, from pull-out pantries to refrigerated drawers. An integrated smart screen manages recipes, monitors supplies, and even syncs with grocery services to keep your kitchen stocked. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a full dinner party, this kitchen transforms every meal into a luxurious event. The Cadillac Motorhome doesn't just bring the comforts of home, it surpasses them. Now, let's turn to the washroom, where Cadillac has again shattered expectations. The main bathroom is a spa-like escape, complete with a rainfall shower, heated stone flooring, and a vanity that rivals those in high-end hotels. The materials are exquisite, polished metals, natural woods, and seamless glass combined to create an atmosphere that feels indulgent at every turn. And in true Cadillac fashion, the washroom offers even more. A secondary half bath ensures that guests have their own private space without compromising comfort. Add in details like automatic mirrors with built-in lighting, towel warmers, and a fragrance diffusion system, and you realize Cadillac has thought of everything. This isn't about basic convenience. It's about creating a mobile spa where luxury follows you wherever you travel. As we step back and take in the entire motorhome, one thing becomes clear. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is not just transportation. It's the ultimate statement of luxury travel, from the bedroom that feels like a suite to the kitchen that doubles as a gourmet studio and bathrooms that outshine five-star resorts. Cadillac has crafted a masterpiece on wheels. It's an expression of freedom without compromise, where every detail whispers sophistication. If you enjoyed exploring this rolling palace with me, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a look at the most luxurious vehicles redefining our world. Until next time, keep chasing luxury on the road ahead.